Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan gravy. First, let's gather your essential ingredients for a smooth and flavorful sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil or vegan butter, alongside 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure to have 2 cups of a rich vegetable broth readily available. Don't forget your basic seasonings, like a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to start building that delicious foundation. Next, we'll build the rich flavor base that makes this gravy so satisfying. Begin by finely dicing 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat your oil or vegan butter in a saucepan over medium heat, then add the diced onion and garlic. Sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender and wonderfully fragrant. This crucial step extracts their natural sweetness and creates a deep, savory foundation for our delicious gravy, ensuring a truly robust taste. Now, let's create the roux, which is essential for thickening our gravy perfectly. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour directly over the softened onions and garlic in the saucepan. Stir this mixture constantly for 1 minute, allowing the flour to cook out its raw taste and form a light roux. Then, slowly pour in your 2 cups of vegetable broth, whisking continuously. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps, ensuring a wonderfully silky texture. As the gravy begins to thicken, we'll bring out its full potential with a gentle simmer and precise seasoning. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, continuing to stir occasionally. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to reach your desired consistency. It should be noticeably thicker. Now, season your gravy with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste it, then adjust any seasonings to your preference, perhaps adding a dash of tamari for extra umami depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.